Hey there, welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. I'm Holly, the Twister Sister, coach and mentor to new balloon artists, here to help you learn the art and craft of balloon twisting so you can start your own balloon business and get paid to party. Today, we're going to be learning how to make a really cute party pony. So this is like an upgrade, a step up from the basic standard one balloon horse, which you can learn in the video linked in the card section, wherever that is. This is what I would make if I was at a birthday party or restaurant and wanted to do something a little bit extra special. Maybe I had some more time. I wasn't in quite a big of a rush as like a line work situation. This is what I would bust out. Before we get into the tutorial, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel though, so that you get notified every time I put out a new video each week for Tutorial Tuesday. And also make sure to check out the free resources that I have available for balloon twisters to help you get started and to build your business. Those are linked down in the description below, just under my free resources for balloon artists. For this balloon party pony, we're gonna need a couple balloons. I've got a pink 350, I've got two fuchsia 160s, and then another pink 260. You just need a little bit of this one. The 350, I've left about a 2-inch tail, and the 160s are like 2 to 3 to 4-inch tails. It doesn't matter too much on those guys. I'm actually gonna start off with this 260 bit that I've made here. It is about 2 hands lengths, I guess. I'm gonna tie the ends together, and then we're just gonna split this into 2 loops. So let me cut off these tails first. All right, we're gonna find the midpoint and bring our hands together and twist. We've got 2 little loops. These are gonna be our little pony ears. Just stick those aside somewhere and grab your 350, or 360 would actually be better because you get a little bit extra length, but I'm pretty sure this is a 350 that I'm working with today. We're gonna start off at the beginning with 2 pinch twists, just like the standard 260 horse. But we're gonna try to get this whole thing with one 350 or 360. Okay, so we've got our 2 little pinch twists for our pony lips, horse lips. Some of you will get that too. Okay, we're gonna come up just about 2 inches here for the face, and then we're gonna grab our ears that just came untwisted, retwist those bad boys. Okay. Oh my goodness. My armpit is not doing a good job holding my balloons today. Okay, we got our ears twisted, we got this little bit twisted. We're going to twist them together now. So once I get the ears on, I'm just gonna flip spots with them so that they stay in place. All right, so there we've got our horse ears and face done. We're gonna come down for the neck, about that much. Okay, and then we're gonna do the 2 front legs. Now you don't wanna make these too long, because if you do, we're gonna run out of balloon. We gotta do this whole body with what we have left here. So I'm gonna keep them somewhat shorter than you might think. All right, so that's maybe 3 or 4 inches there. Come back up, join them together. All right, so that's what we've got so far. We're gonna come back for the body. Again, not too big. Okay, and then we're gonna do 2 more legs, the same as these 2. So make your bubbles. Now, if you get it just right, you should have just enough left for this little tiny ball that is the tail right now. So that is the base for our big and improved simple horse pony. Now we're really gonna bring it to life when we add some hair. So I'll be using my fuchsia 160, and I'm just gonna start off by twisting it into the ears using my nozzle. And the way I do the hair on these ponies, sometimes I try different things, but this is what I usually do. I make a loop here in the front for some bangs, like that, kind of going over the front of the head. And then this would also make a nice little placeholder if you're gonna add like a horn. It could fit right in there as well if you wanted to turn it into a unicorn. Then I'm gonna do 3 sections of hair down the back of the neck here. And I'm gonna keep these kind of loose, so a little bit bigger than if you were just like yanking them down and twisting them in. So we've got a little bit of space here in between the hair and the neck. So they're just a little bit bigger. Okay, twist that one in, and then we'll go back down into the front legs. So that is what we'll have at this point. So you've got your 3 little hair bubbles here. Now you can do like individual little like string of pearls bubbles for the hair. Something I've been enjoying doing recently is braiding this. So let me get rid of this tail here and show you how I do that. So usually what I'll do is I'll take my balloons and just start flipping them. The outside ones coming over the middle ones, to sort of create a little braid after the fact. Okay, so they're kind of twisted up, and that just makes it look a little bit neater. Now, if that seemed way too complicated to you, practice some braiding. If you know how to braid, it shouldn't be too difficult. You just kind of take the outer ones and flip them into the middle, and then the next one flip it into the middle until you get a little bit of a woven looking braid thing. And it just kind of gives it a little bit something extra special, some texture on the hair. Now on the tail, I'm also going to do another pink fuchsia 160. So I'm going to take my 160 here and just going to use that nozzle to wrap it in around the legs. And I'm actually going to use this little tiny pink tail bubble here as like the center of a bow. Ponies always have bows on their tails. So to make the bow, we're going to do some little loops at the start of our 160 here. We're going to put the loops on either side of that little pink bubble. Okay, so we have a cute little bow on the back of our pony's tail. And then with the rest of the tail, you can cut it off if you want like that. You could twist it and make a nice little twisty tail. And I think that's actually what I'll do. So I'm gonna find how long I want my tail to be. So right about here seems good. And then I'm gonna spiral my 160 back up into the top of the tail. Okay, so that's what we've got on the tail. You can get rid of the rest of this now. And then I just like to give the tail a little bit of shape so it's not sticking straight out like this. So just fold it, bend it down, and give it a little squeeze in, a little bit of shape there. So it's going down like that. And now she has like a nice little bow for her little tail. Isn't that cute? Now for the eyes, I'm always experimenting with different pony eyes. Lizadoodle is it Lizadoodle? Liz from Bada Boom Stickers has some really cute pony eye stickers that you can just slap on either side of the face. But if you're going to be drawing them, something fun is just some big ovals with like a smile cheek line at the bottom and then some eyelashes at the top like that. And try to match that on the other side. Okay, so we've got our 2 little pony eyes here, and then I'm gonna bust out my white paint pen and we're just gonna add the pretty little highlight marks that make these so cute. Da-da-da. And then when I do ponies, I always like to add some sort of little picture on their flank. So we're just gonna do hearts on this one. And there you have it. That is my upsized, more deluxe version of a horse or pony. Something else that's fun that I also like to add is just take an uninflated balloon and just stick it right over her little lips here, and then bring both ends back behind her hair and tie them. And then I think that tiny little detail just really pulls this whole look together and finishes it off nicely. Definitely says horse or pony, and anybody that I've ever given this to has always been very excited to receive it. So you could also pull the legs together with a strap and put this on top of a headband. It's super cute. Even a stick if you get the legs together, you could stick a stick up there and then they could walk around with it on a stick. So lots of options with this guy. We do have pony clip art available in the store, so you can pick that up and throw it on your menus for this weekend and try making some ponies for your little customers. Now, if you want to see the basic simplified version of a beginner horse or pony design, make sure to check out my video on how to do just that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And again, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you head on over and pop that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every time we put out a new video. I'll see you guys next week for another Tutorial Tuesday. Until then, happy twisting, everyone. Bye.